Hello, Sonia Gill here, still in lockdown with another 2-minute top tip to help you have more successful, difficult conversations. And quite often when we have a difficult situation, a difficult conversation, the issue that has brought it around can feel quite big and quite manageable. And so today's tip will help you kind of wrestle it back down to a more manageable size, break it down, and also make it easier to see how quick improvements could be made. And so my top tip is scale the issue. Now by that I mean assess it on a scale of 1 to 10. So an issue I know a lot of people are facing right now as you head back into schools is that of how safe do I feel with the virus, potentially looming. So 10 on my scale could be, this is how safe I felt in school before the virus. 1 is, I feel like I might as well, be somewhere that's full of people with the virus. I feel totally unsafe, totally unprotected, or in the wrong place. And then think, okay, so where am I right now? Maybe you feel you're at a 5 or a 6. So that helps us quantify how big the issue is that we might then have a difficult conversation about. But take it a step further. You can use the scale to think, okay, what would move it up 1 point? Or what's the minimum level I'd feel comfortable with, given that it's probably not going to be 10 just yet? And what would get me to that level? What needs to be in place? And that means when you need to have that difficult conversation, that you've got some really tangible markers as to what would help improve it for you, but you can equip the person you're talking to with that information on the basis that these are things that you can change. You want those changes in the scale, moving you from a 5 to a 6, from a 6 to 7, to be things you have control over. I hope that helps. I hope you're doing well in lockdown. And as always, stay safe.